Okay, get your roller pin. Roll it.
It's stuck.
It's stuck?
No.
Okay, now roller it. A little bit more. A little bit more. Here, let's spin it around. Okay, there you go. Now roller it. Okay, get your ghost. No, not that one. Get your ghost cookie cutter. You got it backwards, upside down. Turn it around. Okay, there you go. Now make a cookie. Press it. You don't want to... Oh, you want to roller it more?
No.
You want help?
No.
You want some help?
No.
Okay, where's your ghost?
I know. Where did she go?
Other way. Flip it over.
Whoa.
Let me see.
No, mine.
There you... Oh, other way. You got it upside down. There you go. Now press it. Press hard. Ugh.
Oh, Pico.
Wow, look at that.
Pico.
It's a bat. Your ghost is over there. Get your ghost.
Let me go. Okay.
Good job. Can you look at the camera and say cheese? Is it good?
Yeah, I'm trying. Go.
Really?
Let me go. Let me go.
You made bats and ghosts even though it's after Halloween?
Let me more.
You want to make more?
Let go.
Okay, we'll make more. Say bye.
Bye.
Wave. Bye.
Bye.